Nicole Kidman is 58 years old. I think this is the best she's looked in years. There's just a few years between these photos, and yet I think she looks better today than she did before. So certainly I think previously Nicole Kidman had some surgical intervention, likely some facelifting and or neck lifting, and I think reliance on too much volume. Too much volume, whether it be fat or filler, in the anterior cheek. You see it crowding her eyes when she smiles. Too much volume in the jawline to try and achieve a crisper jawline, but it just seemed full and heavy here. Now, a few years later, there's less volume, so whether it was fat or filler, it's gone away, and Botox around the mouth, Botox in the forehead to arch the brow differently, so things are looking better on animation. Less volume in the lower face, probably because she's using some biostimulators like Sculptra to keep it tight without adding volume. But then the most important thing, I think there's lots of energy-based devices here. Laser resurfacing, things like Halo Tribrid or Contour to keep the texture, tone, smoothness, radiance. Things like BBL for color, monopolar radio frequency to keep things tight and elevate the brows. That's gonna be our density, our ZERF. This to me is how I think she's achieved an even more beautiful result over time, years after surgery. Nicole Kidman, I think you got it going on, girl. You're looking amazing, better now than it was a few years ago. What do you guys think?